Alright guys, so there's another item from Amazon. Let's quickly unbox that. Okay, so that's RGB LED soft ring lights, MG26, made in China. MG26 light. I think it comes with the tripod. So I believe that's the tripod. They did hard shape on that. Alright, so finally I did the tape. I didn't have the knife today. Here you go. So that's the ring light. I'm gonna do my videos on this one now. That's what I ordered. Okay. So Salazar. This one, booklet, thank you. This one, that's for the phone. That must be for the handle. And the light. Light quality look very cheap. It's good. And big tripod. It's altogether 23 pounds on Argos. If you want, I'll put the link in the description. You can order yourself one. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.